Hello everyone. So we're getting cozy today a little bit. I've got my water in the cutest mug possible. I've got my diary and I'm gonna draw something really nice because I want to. And I understand that it's Sunday today and it's the end of an amazing week and I haven't posted anything. So why not catch you guys up with what's happened in the last few days with me doing some creative work. Because you know what? I am as good as Majnu Bhai, even better sometimes. So you guys should see what I did and what I'm gonna make. Let's go. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna use my school ke colors because I still have them, and whenever I see them, they bring out a piece of me. Like when I was a kid, and I remember a very particular story where I cried because मैं पहले दिन अपने school अपने colors लेके गई, and this was really amazing, and I had the most different set because this came in a plastic box and everyone called those cardboard boxes are like colors, and someone broke my color, this yellow color. It is still in two pieces, like I've used it a lot. Someone broke it. I don't know why, and I don't know if it happened accidentally or how it happened. I'm also wearing yellow today. Wow. But someone broke it and I cried like anything. और मुझे लगा कि भाई इसने मेरा कलर तोड़ दिया, अब तो मेरा जीवन बर्बाद हो गया. Like how could she do it? And then जो सर हमें सिखाते थे, he also was like, what is happening? How crazy is this little kid? Like why is she crying over a broken color? But for me it was like the first day I bring my colors and someone broke it. How? Why is this happening to me? Why is God doing to me? And I miss those days when my only worry was that someone broke my color. I miss those days so much. So yeah, anyway, so these are all the kind of things that I sort of think about whenever I'm drawing, and all the memories that I have. And yeah, so it was really. So this week I played tennis, of course, and it was great and I had a really good time, and I think I'm really progressing in that particular section of my life and it's really amazing. Hi everyone, आज मैं अकेली हूँ मैम के साथ, so I'm practicing how to do a service. So let's see if I can do it very well or average. Even that's a achievement for now. Nice. Sorry about the point of view. I'll try to record some better shots. And whatever it is that I'm trying to make, it's amazing. It's a process. See, I told you, I am a genius. Also, I went out with my friends and we had pizza, and of course a funny banter happened on the way too, and it was really fun. Meet my friends.
So it's like the very sweet evening and we are having pizza, and मुझे इतना सही नहीं लगा, but
No one asked, really. No one asked. Like, please just खा लेना, निकल यहाँ से.
but you can
खुद का ही पिज्जा अच्छा लगा जिसने ऑर्डर किया था, हमारा खा गया
shut up, shut up. So but you can see the sky, the cinematic shot.
Ooh la la.
So
खा रही हूँ.
smile कर दे.
And also the other day I went out with Anjali because she was not having a good day, and we also spent a good amount of time and really connected and talked about our life, what it is that we're doing and what are our plans, how you contemplate life. And oh my god, what an amazing lighting. But we are again at the amazing cafe because not no other option, but it's a good option. So yeah, and it's very pretty.
So today I was having a very bad day. I had an interview with someone and that was a very long one, and it was very exhausting. So I asked her to come with me to this beautiful place that we have been numerous times. आँख बंद करके भी चले जाएंगे तो भी हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Correct.
But she came to the rescue and
As always.
we ate pizza as usual, and अब हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा walk कर रहे हैं, and yeah, that's good. How do you like this place?
It is very nice, it is very peaceful, and I have a collection of numerous memories with a lot of different people that I sometimes remember and cherish. But most of them are with my friends, and they're very special.
That's good.
And it's really surprising to see how our conversations have changed over the years. We've seen each other grow so much, and there was a time when we used to talk about not silly stuff, but that was important at that point in our life. And the things, our career and how we're gonna do things and how much we want to achieve is what we're discussing right now, and that's the phase we're in. तो हमें वो चीज़ें डिस्कस करना अच्छा लगता है, and it makes me emotional as well. But it is very nice to see us grow in general, spend time, because you never know when life is gonna change and what things are gonna happen. So yeah, and I made a really stupid paint drawing. I don't know, it took me like 10 minutes to make this, and you might say कि मैं इसमें 10 मिनट भी क्यों लगे, like I don't know. And 1 minute. Important. Hydration is important. Anyway, keeping the theme of us, all of us in general in life, I hope we're all blooming in some way or the other, and our aura and our friends and everything around us is just in the best possible shape, and we're all doing amazing. So in that spirit, keeping the spirit of us all blooming together, I made, ladies and gentlemen, no, you're not allowed to peek. I'm gonna show you the masterpiece. Wow! The bloom. It is called the bloom, and I will always remember this as the time when I chatted and I made this stupid ass painting. I don't know why I call it paint. These are just oil pastels, and this is a stupid thing that I made, but it's okay. That's what I made. So it's a masterpiece. See how my moods are always switching. Anyway, moving on. It's good. I had a really good time talking and sharing little snippets of my week in between, and I hope you enjoyed it. Today I'm also going somewhere, so hopefully I'll be able to make a vlog, and it will be entertaining as well. अभी नवरात्रे चल रहे हैं, so happy Navratri. Hope goddesses, all the different forms of Navdurga form, showers you with all the love and prosperity and the strength that you may need in your life, and just have an amazing time. So yeah, have a great time, and I will see you very soon now, hopefully very soon. So yeah, have an amazing day, and in case no one told you, you're amazing. And just imagine me as Kris Jenner, who's ready with her camera, with her handy cam, and taking pictures of you in Thank You Next with Ariana Grande. You get it. You go, sweetie, you get it. You go. So I'm there filming you all, not in a creepy way though. I know what you all think. I'm not creepy. I'm always there rooting for you. That's what I mean. So I'll see you very very soon. And I'm gonna read now. And एक बुक जो मैं एक हफ्ते से पढ़ रही हूँ अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हो पाई है मुझसे. And I know, I'm sorry. I used to be able to do that, but that's in the past. And बुढ़ापा is sort of taking over, and my reading skills are just. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.